Hey, what's good YouTube? Welcome back to Instructify. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can create a group in Roblox. So let's say you want to create a group and make your friends join it, right? What you want to do is right here, locate groups. And here, right here, if you have any groups joined, right? Let's say I joined this group, right? And here it's going to show up like this, create a group. But if you don't have a group joined, right here, click create a group and then name the group whatever you want. Let's say I'm gonna name my group Instructify. Then description, educational videos, right? And then you can drag any picture from your album and use the settings to make it if you want everybody to join or only certain people to join. This is for like people who want to like make a group and only let their friends join the group, friends or people they know. But this one, anybody can join. This is like a public and a private group. After you have done all of this, all you have to do is get 100 Robux and press here to create the group. As you guys can see, I don't have 100 Robux because this is my alt account, but all you have to do is press on this green button that says 100 Robux and your group would be created. So if this video helped you guys out, make sure you guys like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below if you got any more help.